Now we're going to talk about fundamental data structures in Python: lists, tuples, and sets. Data structures are crucial for organizing and manipulating data in any programming language. Now, before we dive into coding, let's understand the importance of data structures in programming. Data structures allow us to store, organize, and manipulate collections of values. They provide different ways to represent and access data, depending on our specific needs. In this video, we'll focus on three essential data structures in Python: lists, tuples, and sets. Let's start with lists, which are versatile and widely used in Python. In this code snippet, we create a list called fruits using square brackets. Lists can contain multiple elements of different data types. In our example, we have a list of fruits. We can access and manipulate elements in a list using indexing. Indexing starts from 0, so fruits 0 will retrieve the first element, which is apple. We can append new elements to the list using the append method, as demonstrated with orange. We can also modify an element by assigning a new value to a specific index, as shown with kiwi. Next, let's explore tuples, which are similar to lists but are immutable. In this code snippet, we create a tuple called coordinates using the parentheses. Tuples can store multiple elements just like lists. However, tuples are immutable, meaning their values cannot be changed once defined. In our example, coordinates represents latitude and longitude values. Tuple unpacking allows us to assign the values of a tuple to separate variables. In this case, we unpack the coordinates tuple into lat and lon variables. We can then access and use these values individually. Finally, let's explore sets, which are unordered collections of unique elements. In this code snippet, we create a set called subjects using curly braces. Sets can only contain multiple elements, but each element is unique. Duplicate values are automatically removed. In our example, subjects represents a collection of school subjects. We can perform various operations on sets. The in operator checks if an element is present in the set, as demonstrated with math. We can add elements to a set using the add method, as shown with history. Elements can be removed using the remove method, as demonstrated with English. And that concludes our tutorial on Python data structures, lists, tuples, and sets. We covered the basics of each data structure, including creation, access, manipulation, and operation. With this knowledge, you can effectively work with these data structures and organize your data in Python.